Hello friends, so in this tutorial I will tell you how to read a file using a while loop. So I'm going to read this file using a while loop. Let's see. Let's create a script for that. While do done home desktop copy this echo samples read variable echo $var save this. Now let's run this file. I have output, redirect the output in file.txt. let's run without this. Okay, so this is the output of the file. So what it is happening is, like echo, I have given the file name. This is the file name. Okay, so it is reading one by one, and carriers written here is new line character. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot.